Hi, this is Yasin Akash from English Easy Method. Today I have brought some other uses of some prepositions before you. I will make you realize today regarding preposition on, regarding preposition about, and regarding preposition into. So let's go step by step. I am making you realize the uses of this preposition.
Let's go. Yeah, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves,
At first
gotta grab it.
we are
Fuse like a magnet.
capturing or taking the preposition on. What do you mean by on? At first you have to know the meaning of on. Where do we use the preposition on and when do we use preposition on? At first we have to know the position, know the places of this sentence. So my dear friends, the meaning of on a lots, we can find one more meaning of preposition on in the sentences. We have to use preposition on in the suitable places. So when you will need to mention in your sentence any time, any date or day's name, you have to use before day's name or date, you have to use here preposition on. Suppose 21st February. 21st February, before 21st February is a date. That's why before 21st February, you have to use preposition on. Monday, Friday, Sunday, the name of days, Monday, Sunday, Friday, Saturday, any type of days name, if you find, you have to use before days preposition on. And then if you want to mention any relation about any topic, you have to use here on. I am delivering my lecture regarding preposition. We can use here on preposition. You have to say something on your family. I would like to know from you on your study about any matter. If you want to mention, you have to use before that matter on, preposition on. So the next meaning of preposition we are getting rely or depend. When you mention in your sentence reliable or mentionable, reliable any or dependable anything, before that thing, before that matter, before that person, you can use here on. We depend on Allah. We depend on Allah. Here before Allah we have to use here on. I keep the book on the table. On the table, before table you have to use here on preposition. The next topic, the next preposition is about. When do we use preposition about? When do we where do we use preposition about? About we can use here to express or to say or mention any matter, anything. You have to use before that thing, that matter, about. I would like to know about your family's condition. I would like to know about your result. I would like to know, you want to know from me about my preparation. Here my preparation, your family, such type of matter. When you want to describe about such type of matter, you have to use here before this matter. Before this matter you have to use here about. And then we are getting about the another meaning. If you want to mention the number, some number in the sentence, around 5 persons or about 5 persons, there are, suppose there are some people, there are 10 people or 10 students there are 10 students here. 10 students, some people or 5 meters or 5 pens, 100 taka, some 5 women, 3 boys, 10 m, 10, 12, any type of number. When you will mention in this sentence, you can use here before that number about 10 a.m. about 20 boys in this room, about 500 taka. This is nearly 500 taka, 99 or 500 over 500 taka, less 500 taka or over 500 taka. When you want to mention, you can use here about 500 taka, about 100 taka, about 5 students, about 20 teachers in your institutions, etc. You can mention here. Then we are getting the another preposition, into. When do you use into preposition? When you want to mention any changeable thing, any speed or entering or entrance, you have to use here before that noun, you have to use here preposition into. Such as the teacher entered into the room. Here the teacher entered into the room. Before the room, you can mention here preposition into. I threw the pen into the window. Here, I threw the pen into the window. So before the window, you can use here preposition into. And then another example I can set before you. The water has changed into ice. The water changed into ice. Ice is the matter, changeable matter. So changed matter is ice. Before the changed word or changed matter, you have to use here. Before the changed matter, you have to use here preposition into. Ice is the changed matter, so you can use here into ice. So such types of prepositions are very important for your exam. You should practice the prepositions according to your classes, according to your need. You can practice them and make you can make a good result in the chapter of preposition. I think the uses of preposition will be very useful for you if you practice. So if you think that the video is useful to you, please subscribe, share, comment and like.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the